I'm Chuck Bragdon with Water Saver Solutions, and here today with me is Gregory Paul. We have 17 years of experience in working in healthcare facilities. Today we're going to talk about the best management practices for flushing your faucets. These are critical control points in hospitals. Maintaining water safety in your healthcare facility is crucial, and proper faucet flushing is an essential part of minimizing your waterborne contamination. Start by removing flow regulators at the base and/or the spout. These devices minimize splashing but can also trap debris affecting water quality. Carefully remove the flow regulator and set it aside for later, ensuring the faucet is clear of any obstructions. Next, cycle the angle stops to exercise the seats and remove any calcium deposits. The cycling ensures that the angle stops are functional and can be turned off when needed. Now flush the faucet by running water through it until the stream is clear on both the hot and cold sides. This type of super flush helps clear out any debris, sediment, biofilm, or stagnant water that may have built up in the system. Without this step, there may be insufficient water flow to properly clear the line. Once the water runs clear, you're ready to replace the protective laminar device at the end of the faucet spout. Skipping this step would lead to potentially dangerous splashing. Reattach the non-aerating laminar flow device to ensure proper water flow and efficiency, minimize splashing, and discourage calcium residue that would otherwise form from contact with the air within an unprotected spout. Regularly flushing faucets and clearing components is key to maintaining water quality and discouraging bacteria growth. By following these simple steps, you can promote a safer environment for your healthcare patients and staff in your hospital. At Water Saver Solutions, we're known as the H2 ROI people. Our fixture care program helps healthcare organizations reduce Legionella risk, protect patients, and ensure ASHRAE 188 compliance, all through proactive, app-driven fixture maintenance.